what's going on, guys? Splash V2 here, and today I'm bringing a vlog, I guess. Yeah, it's raining. And Steven just ran. He went to go get his basketball. Hang on, gotta get this close up. Over there. He stepped in a giant puddle right there. Oh, you're going again, Steven. Come on, go for it. Go. It's only raining. Step in the puddle. Come on, do it. Aw, Steven, why are you stepping in it? Steven, get out of it! He's up on the fence. Go get the ball. Steven, make a three! Make a 3-point! You can do it! You can do it! Wow, you're so good at basketball. You know that? How bad is it raining? It ain't even that bad. Steven, I want to make you see a hoop. Shoot a hoop, I meant. I want to see you shoot a hoop. I just zoomed in all the way I can see you. Come on, you can do it. Zoom out. Air ball. Yeet. Sorry guys, trying to position the camera right.
You talking to me?
Steven, that's not the camera. Here we go, Steven, you can do it. Nice. Sorry about that. Just trying to get a good view. Oh, there we go. That's a perfect one, Steven. The camera's right on you. Is it raining bad? That saved though. My phone was about to fall. Come on. Whoa. So yeah, guys, it's raining kind of bad.
Oh, look, my dad's here.
Your dad got home? There he is. Hang on. Air ball. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this vlog with Steven. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Yeah.